Hello and welcome to the Basics of Photography by celebrity photographers Amit and Naroop. I'm David McClelland, and today we're going to learn about the camera's manual operations and how to use them in real life situations. Now, before we learn about the camera's operations and how to start using its manual settings, let's understand what composition is and what it means for you as a photographer. Composition is the arrangement and placement of everything in a photograph so that it's carefully pieced together to produce an image that tells a story or captures the eyes of its viewer. Composition is a real skill to be mastered, and once you get the basics right, there'll be a notable difference between taking what we call a quick snapshot and an artistically and creatively composed photograph. So, from this point onwards, point and click will become a thing of the past. The first step to basic composition is to know what you're looking for. So, look through the viewfinder on your camera and explore what it is you see. Choose a subject, move around it, and keep looking through the viewfinder. Increase and decrease the distance, kneel down, lay down, stand up. Just try to find multiple different ways of looking at the subject without actually shooting it. Just explore it. Secondly, it's always good to be aware of the things around you and your subject. So remember that a well-composed photograph should have one point of interest that draws in the attention of its viewer without any distracting objects or things in the way. And thirdly, make sure your subject can be seen clearly. If you're looking through the viewfinder and can see the subject at a long distance, then move closer. And the last thing that you want to have is your point of interest overshadowed by large buildings or trees, because this will only take away from the composition. So remember, know what you want to achieve, be aware of your environment, explore different angles, and make sure your subject is the point of interest. Also, move closer or further away to get your subject in frame.